Most people ignore the back of their server rack until it becomes a tangled nightmare of plastic and copper. This 1U 12-port shielded patch panel promises to turn that chaotic mess into a professional-grade masterpiece of organization. When first handling this unit, the weight immediately suggests it is far from a flimsy piece of plastic. It feels rugged and ready for the demanding environment of a high-traffic computer room. The sleek black finish provides a professional aesthetic that blends seamlessly into any standard rack setup. What truly distinguishes this panel is the integrated shielding. In an era where electronic noise is everywhere, having that extra layer of protection for data lines is a significant advantage. It ensures the signal remains clean and speeds stay consistent, which is vital when routing Cat5 cables through a dense hardware environment. The 12-port configuration serves as the perfect middle ground for home labs or small business setups where space is limited, but performance is non-negotiable. One of the most impressive design choices is the inclusion of the rear cable management rack. While it might seem like a minor detail, it makes a massive difference during the installation process. Rather than allowing cables to hang and put unnecessary strain on the punch-down blocks, the rear rack supports the weight and keeps every line perfectly aligned. This results in the back of the rack looking just as organized as the front, which is a rare achievement in networking. There is a genuine sense of security that comes with knowing these connections are shielded from external interference. The panel handles the punch-down process with ease, showing none of the frustrating flexing often found in budget alternatives. Despite its heavy-duty computer room pedigree, the compact 1U size ensures it fits into tight spaces without any trouble. It is a simple, effective, and remarkably durable solution for anyone looking to eliminate network clutter. This is a rock-solid investment for bringing professional-grade stability and order to any networking environment.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.